It's the season of budgets, and what else can be this week's finance mantra? But since I've already done a finance mantra earlier on how to prepare budgets, this week I thought about talking about the types of budgets that can be useful for you and your business. So what is a budget? It's a detailed financial plan. What are the different kinds of budgets? So I'm just touching upon a few of them, and you can see how you can implement them in your business. So the first is the master budget, and I would highly recommend this for you to have it for your business, because this gives a complete overview of your entire financial plan for your business. This is normally prepared based on last year's numbers, that are incremental in nature. It gives you, you can prepare it based on vertical wise, and then you can consolidate them together. And normally this is prepared on the visibility that you have for your business. But most importantly, it should be done on a realistic basis, realistic number, and not just a wish list. Second is the sales budget. Now this is useful for businesses that are having a lot of customers and having a lot of offerings to the customers, number of products and services, because it's in here that you slot in all your sales revenues, your direct selling expenditure, your seasonal sales, the quantities, the value, so on and so forth. Third is the production budget, which is related to the sales budget. The production budget gives you an idea on how much is the quantities that you have to produce, and this is in sync with the sales. Fourth is the cash budget, which again I would recommend every organization, every business to have a cash budget, because this lets you know your cash requirements and you can plan your cash flow accordingly. Fifth is a zero-based budget. This, like the name says, this starts from a zero scratch. It does not take into account the last year budget, and it's a good tool, especially when you want to control your costs. Sixth can be your capital budget. This is mainly for acquiring and the maintenance of your fixed assets. So this is applicable if you're an asset heavy business, and this is normally done on a long-term basis. And then is an operating budget. This is for your monthly operations that you have, and this is normally done over a period of time based on the visibility that you have for the business. Then can be eighth is your financial budget. This talks about your financial requirements on a long-term basis and on a short-term basis. Ninth can be the static budget, and as the name says, this is a fixed budget and you cannot make any changes to it. It's considered sacrosanct by the business. The last one I would want to talk about is the rolling budget, which is the opposite of the static budget, because here you're updating the budget on a periodic basis. It could be on a monthly basis, quarterly basis, half yearly, so on and so forth. So see which one you can apply on your business, and how is it that you're preparing your budget? Are you even preparing one? I would recommend you to do so if you're not, and my best wish is that your business surpasses your budgeted profit and you grow in bounds and leap. So until the next week, I'll catch you again. See you. Bye from me, Sangeeta.